When I was a financial advisor with Ameriprise, they taught me that the stock market always goes up. It takes some time, but it always goes up. So if you will diversify and spread your assets, usually somewhere around 80% stocks and 20% bonds, around all the indices, that your money will grow with time. And if you've got enough time, you'll end up with more than you started out with. Well, that was a learning, and I think it's great when you learn something, but then it becomes more important when you understand something. You understand why do some companies grow faster than others, and you then create a process that feeds off of what you've learned, that companies grow faster if, in fact, they can generate more revenues and then become more efficient at making the product or service that they provide, and then take that and turn that efficiency into profits. And as the profits grow, and if the stock is fairly priced, it will grow exponentially. Now, the other thing you got to learn is that once a stock gets so big, it's harder to move it up faster. So what I've realized is there are stocks that are going to grow substantially, and here's two of them that you should be aware of. They're both products of AI, and they're both in the cybersecurity field. NTSK, based on its growth rate and its size, its market cap, and its growth potential, it's going to increase 152% over the next 3 years. And then RBRK, it's a little bit different. It's a little bit smaller. It has a different profile. It's going to grow about 110%. Well, how do I know that? Well, I turn it over to AI. That's my AI is Samantha, my AI agent. And she goes and she takes the prompt that I give her of what a growth stock looks like and what the efficiency and how scale is met, and what are the projections from Wall Street that's on the internet relative to these two stocks. And with that information, Samantha, what is the price going to be on January of 2027, 28, and 29? And if in fact it's going to increase by over 100%. Our portfolio, if they just get that 100%, our portfolio will double every 3 years. Well, what we've learned is when we identify these stocks consistently that grow by 100% over 3 years, we pick up some that grow 100% in 1 year. And that's what we've done over the last year and given us some fantastic results. So what literally happens is we get no losers, because a loser cannot have growth in revenues, growth in earnings, and growth in margins. I mean, it may stay stagnant, but it's not going to go down on price. So you take out of the S&P 500 or the NASDAQ or the Dow, those stocks that are not going to achieve 100% over 3 years, and you end up with some that give you 300% in 1 year, and your portfolio outperforms. And that's now why haven't I been doing that all my history in the financial planning world back when I was with Ameriprise? Because the data was not available to me. I could not, first of all, I couldn't go and get all their earnings statements every quarter and review them personally and then analyze them and come up with the numbers. It was physically impossible. Now, it wasn't for Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan and Fidelity, because that's what they do. And that's what the hedge funds do. Then they put leverage into it and boost that number even greater. But now the playing field is leveled because you and I have access to that data. And more importantly, over the last basically year, we have access to Samantha. and Samantha is AI. And that gives us the time, that brings down the time constraint that I don't have to analyze all those numbers. I tell Samantha what the prompt is and what I'm looking for and how the numbers all match up. She doesn't know that. I tell her that, and then she projects the results. And she came up with these two cybersecurity. And again, do not buy these stocks based on what I just told you. You go and find out what RBRK does and why it's different than all the other cybersecurity stocks that you're aware of, and what NTSK does and how it's different than the other cybersecurity stocks. And where you can find that is I can give you access to Samantha and Bard. You come to my website, you go to Kerry's tell sheet, you click on their ticker, and it'll take you to a podcast, 15 minutes, and she'll tell you everything you need to know about why these stocks are going to double over the next 3 years. And to young people, if you can double your portfolio, if you can find $7,000 to put into a Roth IRA when you're 20 years old, and you can double your portfolio every 3 years, you'll have multi-millions of dollars at the end of 20 years. And you'll be in the $30 million range at the end of 30 years. So learn how to analyze stocks, or how to access the analysis on stocks, and what a growth stock is all about. And wealth is yours. It's just there for the taking, because we have entrepreneurs in this world who are going to change the landscape of knowledge, and it's going to create companies that are going to grow exponentially. All you have to do is invest in them.